future of manufacturing is being written every single day. The journey from a roll of steel to a gleaming car begins in the body shop, a place where raw materials are transformed into the skeletal framework of a vehicle. Here, massive robotic arms guided by intricate computer programs take center stage. They lift, position, and weld steel panels with incredible accuracy, their movements a mesmerizing ballet of power and precision. Each weld, perfectly executed, forms an unbreakable bond, ensuring the vehicle's structural integrity. But it's not just about brute force. Toyota's renowned just-in-time principle is evident throughout the process. Parts arrive at the assembly line exactly when needed, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. This intricate dance of logistics ensures a seamless flow of materials like a perfectly timed symphony of manufacturing. And if a problem does arise, the line stops. Jidoka, Toyota's philosophy of automation with a human touch, empowers every worker to halt production if they detect an issue. This focus on quality control, ingrained in every step of the process, is a key factor in Toyota's reputation for reliability. Dedication to responsible manufacturing. Section 4. The heart of the machine: assembly and collaboration. The painted car body, now a blank canvas, moves on to the general assembly area, the heart of the Toyota production process. Here, the car truly comes to life as engines roar, dashboards light up, and interiors take shape. This is a symphony of coordinated activity, a carefully choreographed ballet of human skill and robotic precision. Robots, guided by lasers and sensors, lift and position heavy components like engines, transmissions, and axles with effortless ease. But it's the human touch that truly brings the car to life. Skilled workers, their hands nimble and precise, connect wires, install interiors, and ensure every component is perfectly in place. This is where Toyota's Kaizen philosophy, a culture of continuous improvement, shines. Workers are encouraged to identify and suggest improvements no matter how small, constantly striving for greater efficiency and quality. The air buzzes with a quiet focus, a shared commitment to building the best cars in the world. Section 5. The final test: quality above all. The nearly finished vehicle, now a testament to human ingenuity and robotic precision, undergoes its final test. This is where Toyota's unwavering commitment to quality is put to the ultimate test. Each car is subjected to a battery of rigorous inspections, both manual and automated. Skilled technicians, their eyes trained to spot even the smallest imperfections, examine every detail, from panel gaps to paint finish. The journey culminates in a dynamic test drive where the car is put through its paces on a simulated road course. Acceleration, braking, handling, every aspect of the vehicle's performance is scrutinized. Only when a car has passed every test, meeting Toyota's exacting standards, is it deemed ready for the open road. This relentless focus on quality has earned Toyota its reputation for reliability and durability, a testament to the company's unwavering commitment to building cars that last.